In this video, we will learn how to disable automatic updates on your WordPress website. Hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. And in this video, we are going to cover how to disable automatic updates of your core WordPress or your themes or your plugins with or without any plugin. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it because you are going to learn so much about WordPress, digital marketing, SEO, technical SEO and social media marketing in this channel. So let's get started. So first question may be coming on your mind, why you actually need it, because it may get why you actually need it. There's actually the many reasons and it's hard to put it on your words because your website may be crashing often, right? Like you are maybe using a child theme or maybe using a custom theme and your WordPress get updated to a newer version and your website started crashing. For that thing, you need to be sure that your theme are configured properly. And if you are just a newbie and you don't know about any backend technologies which is being used on WordPress, then you maybe want to disable all the updates of your themes and plugins to work your site properly. And there may be a WordPress security issues because your site may get breached if the plugin capability or theme capability is not with the latest version of your WordPress. So for all these parts, you can easily just disable your automatic updates to keep your site healthy and away from any issues. So to do that, we will be doing with the help of a little code which you can just copy from the description box or just follow the link in the description where it will redirect to our blog where I have pasted all codes related to it. So you just open that page and follow along with this video and you will be good to go. And if you are not comfortable with adding any code to it, then you can easily use a plugin which we will cover in the upcoming minutes. So if you want to learn the both ways, then just keep watching this video. If you want to learn a specific part of the video, you have a timeline in the description box. Just click on that timeline and you will be on that part of the video. So let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, and first thing we are going to disable is the core updates. So core updates are given from the WordPress itself. So if you want to disable that, you can easily do that with the help of a little code. And for that code to be added, you need a FTP connection to your WordPress website. So you may need a connection to your WordPress website to the FTP, or you can just go to your cPanel or control panel of your website and just go to the file manager, and their public HTML folder you will be redirected to the root folder, and there you will find a file called wp-config. So how to do that? So here I will be using my own control panel, and here is the root folder of my domain. And what you need to do is go to the wp-config file and double click on it. It will start downloading on your server and you just open it using any text editor. So after this particular code, which is the table prefix wp, and you can just easily add a function to it or a defined function to it which is already available on the WordPress repository. So in this, after this, just add a defined function wp auto update core. So what it implies is to define wp automatic update of the core, which is already given from the WordPress itself. You can easily enable or disable it, and to enable it you can easily type true, and if you want to disable it, just type false. So I have typed the false to disable it and close this with the semicolon. So that's how you can easily just disable the update. And to check it out, just click on the save, close this particular file and go to your dashboard, go to the home, click on the updates, and here it says the site will not receive automatic updates for new version of WordPress, right? So that's how you can easily disable automatic updates of your core WordPress. So moving forward to disabling plugins or themes. So if you want to disable automatic updates of your theme, like if you want to disable automatic of your particular theme or a specific theme, like here I have installed 3 themes altogether. But if you want to disable updates of a particular theme, like here, you can just click on enable automatic or disable auto updates. If it is already enabled auto updates, it already have enable auto updated option here, or it will be like this. There will be a disable auto update option. So just click on disable auto update, it will be disabled. So for default it has already been disabled, so you will get all the updates notification from here, and you can just do it update from that section as you normally do. And to disable automatic updates of themes, you can just go to function file of your themes, and where it is file, just go to the themes, theme file editor, choose your theme from this drop down list, and here I'm using a newspaperly, and go to the functions file here, and you need to add a 2 code line of code or for the theme part we will add a add filter function, which is the available on the WordPress repository. Right, add filter, here you need to add this code to disable theme. To disable it, just add this. There you go. So this particular code or a line which triggered that automatic update of theme to be disabled. And the same way we can do with the plugin. Auto update plugin, return false, semicolon. Click on update file and let's test it out if it's actually working. Go to the themes again and click on it here. So you will see this particular information like auto updates are disabled. So you will click on any themes, you can easily find that. And if we go check the plugin section, just click on the start plugin and here you will see all the disabled updates text here. Auto updates are disabled. So that's how you can easily disable automatic updates of your themes and WordPress website. So that's about it, how to disable automatic updates on your WordPress website without plugin. So let me just go again here to the file editor function and delete this code. Let's work with the help of a plugin. Just click delete and click on update. And in the next part we will learn how to disable automatic update using a plugin. So you can easily add a plugin. There are actually many plugins available in the WordPress repository and you can add any of it, but I will be using easy or update manager. And to install that, click on the plugin, click on the add new. Here search for update manager. Here it's the first plugin which is available for you, easy updates manager, that will get your job done. Click on install now, obviously activate it afterwards. And after that, go to your dashboard and here you will have this new option available, updates option. Just click on update options and here you have our settings available for you, specifically for the all updates. If you want to disable all updates, just click on the disable all updates. All updates related to your code, related to your theme, related to your plugin will get disabled. And if you need a customized disable services, you can easily enable or disable, like WordPress core update. You can manually update it, or you can just disable core updates to just don't get any warnings of any update here. And also you have two more options here, which is auto update all minor versions or auto update all releases. So you can just check on any options you want. Just go through this plugin and go through all the settings for your WordPress project. You can be easily navigate and enable or disable using these toggle buttons. So you have a plugin updates also, you have theme updates also, you have translation updates also. And if you want to get notified through emails, you can just type out your email and save email address, and you will get the customized notifications also using these toggle buttons. So isn't that awesome that you will be using a plugin and it will manage all sort of updates at your disposal? So if you are not comfortable adding any code to your WordPress website and you may be having a panic attack to actually crash your WordPress project down, then you can just use this plugin. But I will recommend you to go through without plugin part, because adding more plugins to your WordPress website can cause serious issues to your WordPress website's size, and it will get bloated and it will add more cost to your website, and it will impact on your technical SEO part also, because it will slow down your page loading speed. So even if you are using WP Cache plugin or CDN services, it may get slower if you frequently add plugins for every purpose of your WordPress website. So I suggest you to go through that without plugin part. Just add few codes and it get the job done by adding more and more codes to your WordPress website, because it will get bloated in no time. So there is the general part, and if you want specifically for the plugins, you have an icon or the name of a plugin installed on your WordPress website, and go to the allowed or blocked here. You can easily just manage it through this plugin, and go to the themes, and here you will get or allowed or block any theme from it. And here is the log. If you just frequently enabling or disabling it, you will find all the logs here. You can easily clear it by clicking on clear now, and it will help you to delete some space from your WordPress website. And here is the advanced. In advanced functionality is for those who have a heavy website or a membership website. If you have a multiple admins to your WordPress script, then you can easily exclude some users from this functionality. That's just adding or excluding any users from here. Or you can force automatic updates also, because if you want core updates or if you want every updates of your website to get updated automatically, then you can just force automatic updates here. And here is the admin bar menu display, and you can just admin bar menu display enable or disable using this particular option. And here is the reset option. If you messed up something with your settings, then you can just go to the reset option and it will reset all option. And rest are the premium, and premium is automatic backup, automatic update schedule, etc. then if you need such thing, then you have to upgrade to this particular plugin. Just go to their website and support them by purchasing this subscription, and it will unlock these features. So I don't think that will be of any use to you. So I hope you have learned something from this, how to disable automatic updates of your core website, of your themes, or of your plugins from this video. And if you have learned something from this video, click the like button. And if you have some suggestion or feedback to this video or to my channel, then you have a comment box with you. And if you want to learn such things in the future with me, then you have a red button. Just click that and you will get notified about my upcoming videos. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.